Okay, so we're here at 3D Body Tech, and this is Bodidata. We're going to demonstrate live revolutionary deep technology that we have that's proprietary to us, able to scan somebody fully clothed in their normal streetwear and extract their body dimension to do size recommendation. So to do that, I'll ask Kelsey to scan a volunteer here. And she's going to share her screen so you can actually see the UI. So you'll see once she starts. Okay. The subject is there.
I'll just get you to stand here and face me. Your feet go shoulder width apart. Your hands just on your waist like that. And just keep your head straight forward and don't move.
So you can see the UI there if you want. So we frame, we put a virtual layer on, and basically it's painting the body.
Right. So you just
when
paint the body.
it's green, I mean we have the data.
Got it. And what about the legs? I see that
Yeah.
she's
So
skipping the legs.
we only do the torso and up.
Okay.
We can generate the whole avatar, but we do that for speed. But also, all we care about is the measurement that's for fitting,
Okay.
the top and the bottom. That's why we do it. We can scan the whole thing, but it just takes
How
more time.
about arms?
Yeah, we do arm length. We do across the back.
Okay.
We do the main circumference, chest, waist, pant waist, hip, thigh. So
Yeah, that's simple enough. Just paint the body.
yeah. And we have the target in the middle. Tells you you're too close or too far. It's green or red. And we also have an audio that says move closer, move far. Right. And then I'll show you the portal stuff once she's done to show the.
Cool.
So you can see it's pretty easy. Doesn't take much.
I think even
Okay.
3-year-old can do it.
Let me show you the screen. So won't you unshare? So can you see? Okay. So what we'll do, we have a portal. So like here's an example where this is a scan of me. Okay. And we give size recommendation. Okay. So for example, the sweater, we recommend extra large. This is uniform. And we actually tell you how it fits on critical parts of your body, whether it's the chest, the seat, the arm, the abdomen, and so on. But we also tell all the sizes if you have a preference, not just that, but the large. But we tell you which one we believe is the optimal for you. Okay? And also what we generate, the only thing we keep is actually the optical cloud that you see here. This is a scan of me, and I'll show the scan of her live later. So we're able to recreate the body underneath the clothing, okay? And then also we can generate an avatar. So in this case, we partner and generate an avatar with a virtual clothes try-on. So then we pass the avatar in, we pass the size we recommend, and then they do the virtual clothes try-on, okay? Now, let's do Kelsey, which is a female. This is a unisex thing, so it's tailored for men, and so you can see the recommendation is there, but it's not as good as because the woman's waist is a lot smaller, so it's loose here, but you can see that. And the same thing with the scan of the cloud here of Kelsey. Right, so let me rotate it so you can see. And again, oops, sorry, the cloud underneath, the reconstruction of the body. Okay, and the same thing with the clothing, with the avatar. And we pass in the small size and they do it. Okay, so now let me show you the live scan that we just did of, what's your name? Paula. So, was it employee 3, Kelsey?
Employee 6.
Employee 6, you told me 3. Okay. Okay. So here's our recommendation for you, small, and here's how it would fit critical part of your body. Okay. And there's a size underneath, extra small, how it would fit differently, and how medium would fit differently. And then show you the scan of the cloud. This is of you, okay, with the clothing, double layer and so on, and then the reconstruction underneath, behind the clothing, okay? And then we can even pass in, as I said, the avatar to our partner who then can do the virtual clothes try on and so on. Make sense? So hopefully everybody got all good?
Yeah.
I think that was good, and I hope you can watch all the recordings of the session I actually did in the technical track so you can see the technology I talk about it, as well as a live demo on stage I did as well. Good?